You hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you, sir. Can hear you.
We stopped on something called in English a positive phrase. A positive phrase means you need to add additional information to modify or to describe something before. The writer, he gives you a term, materialism. After it, he explains what's that. So you need comma before.
Yeah.
Let's follow the rules. Do you have anything for and here? What is the parallelism by using and? There is no any meaning for and. But here, an apt assessment given that. So describe what means parallelism, what means materialism. So it's a letter C. So it's called in English additional information to modify something. You need come. Number 26.
Sir, 26, I chose C.
I think you need to read again. Remember last time the
Mhm.
position of the transition words.
Oh,
Now
okay.
find the sentences. Look at me. This is number one. The first sentence, yes or no.
Yeah.
This is the second, yes or no.
Yeah.
The transition words at the beginning of the second. So you need full stop and semicolon before and comma after, like that. Look, it's here because it's a
Yeah.
big sentence. Two commas, it means in the middle of this. How middle? This is the beginning. Look, the beginning. So this comma is wrong. One comma only, it does not make sense in any structure. This one always wrong. This is one, this one, it can be correct if this in the at the end of the second sentence. It's only one at the beginning. What is the second? As I told you, comma before it means at the end of the second sentence. But this is the first one. We have only one sentence here, look. So it does not make sense. So it's letter D. Revise the position of the transition words. All, as I told you, it has all three positions. At the beginning of the second, in the middle of the second, at the end of the second. That's all.
Yeah.
27.
Okay. 27, I chose C.
Correct.
Okay. 28, I chose A.
28A. No, read again.
Uh,
Let me help you. Let me help you quickly. Do you remember this structure? Clause, subordinated conjunction, clause. We test you for the second clause, this clause. So your eye is only here. Do you imagine how? Yes, we test you for a second. Now the novel is a subject and the offers is a verb. Don't separate the subject from the verb by only one comma. So wrong. Dash is before dash complete. Wrong. This is not complete. This is not complete sentence to use one single dash. Wrong. Calling calling means single dash, by the way, without thinking wrong. As I told you, single dash equals calling. If you found both of them at the same place, delete both of them. You understand?
yeah.
That is the point. So your eyes from here. Do we have any dash? Only one dash. So it's a single
Yeah.
dash. Was calling delete. Now we don't need any punctuation because this is the subject, novel, and this is verb. If you separate it, you separate the meaning. Common mistakes, try to revise it. Now, number 29.
29A.
29A, no. 29, it's letter D. Because he said we need only advantage. Find the advantage. Look, microbe could explore areas of Mars. Look, that that are inaccessible to NASA heavy wheeled. How? Yes, advantage. So it's letter B. That's why. So focus on what does it need only. Now, my
Yeah.
friend, next one.
Okay.
Number
I
30.
hope this is right. This is supposed to be C.
So see, it's a correct homework.
Okay.
31.
31 C.
So you love the letter C. Okay.
I love it very much now. 32 A.
32A, no. Explain how the house is preserved. So we need how.
Yeah.
So when you read, before you read, you must know what are you looking for exactly. So here to revise at home again, it must be letter D. Look how the wisdom collected and then created. That talks about the method. How did he do it? Collected and then created. Feel that? Letter C it gives you information not about how. You feel it? He tells you something well preserved. Okay, so how? Wow, what's the message? How? What did you do? So focus on how. Now about 33.
33. I chose D.
33, it's D correct. Very good target. Let's have 5 minutes before we go. Is that the end or what?
Okay.
Second module. Number one, if you are not angry.
Okay. Not angry, sir. Uh, I chose C.
Excellent. Number two.
D.
Letter D, I don't think so.
Oh,
This is our adjectives. What does it describe? The process of is often satisfactory. How? Does he explain that it's satisfactory? People contented about it? They agreed? They are happy about it? Or he mentioned here it's inadequate. It needs further studies. He said because, do you remember cause and effect technique? Because
yeah.
of the environmental impact and the loss. So the process is not enough, is not sufficient, is not clear. But this person has helped developed. يبقى how was the process? It was not enough, inadequate. Of course, letter A is wrong. Resilient mean able to withstand the difficulty. Does
Yeah.
not describe the process at all. Describe the people. You feel it? Like resilient.
Yeah.
Like you are resilient. You are able to without standing difficulties in life to be engineer. So it does not
Uh,
describe purpose. Hmm. Now number three.
Number 3, I chose A.
Wrong.
Despite, despite her.
We found
No.
the delays are to the projection.
Invalidate D.
That is. So when you find the verb, find the subject and object to help yourself.
Yeah.
Number four.
Number 4 is A.
Number 4A, wrong, of course.
Oh my God, sorry.
It's the same again, adjective. What does it describe? And you have calling explanation.
Yeah.
So found what? Let's read.
Okay.
Joint
Found.
forces with. Mm. If you have second answer, you can say, but inventive. Now look here, he said that joined forces with singer and the composer Beverly to produce a piece that critics what how the critics describe the piece. He said they praised so something good for creatively transforming. This means inventive. Look into the dynamic exhibit by projecting. So they love it. He said praised already. How to say restrained, how to say inexplicable, how the all of them opposite. So if you found the adjective, you must find what does it describe. What is the noun? The piece. The piece is what? To the critics, found the piece as what? You have calling, so your answer is here. I give you three negative answers, only one positive. The tone in the text is positive. You know, inventive, it means like invention, something innovative. Do you understand?
Yeah, I got it, sir.
Good job. Number five.
Number 5 is A.
Wrong.
See, diverse group.
So it is letter C, yes. It describes the group. And he said, but go for the next. All right.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Sir,
Number six.
I chose C.
Number six, it's letter C, correct. And that is the last question for now because you came late and I had a college student session now. I
Yeah.
delayed them for 30 minutes, but you must kill you.
Sir, I'm very sorry. Actually, today I had